Guys, hopes everybody is doing well. First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone who is watching me right now. Specifically, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, BTC is basically trading around 82.7k, and I will discuss some of a very important stuff right here. So guys, we were dumping to the downside, and this was a break of structure and then continuation to the upside. And right now within this internal structure, what happened? That this was a higher low, and this higher low is broken down. So this is a clear break of structure, and the next pump would surely be a exit liquidity pump, and then later on we should take this liquidity low right here. In my last update, I told you guys about one very important stuff, that we should hold here, and then the price should form another higher high right here, higher low, and then take this side liquidity. But right now there is some sort of a structure that has been forming, that this is a break of structure, maybe a small pump to the upside, and then later on rejection to the downside, and then we will decide either where we were going. So guys, this is another very important structure right here, which I have showed you guys. Few who are following me on my X and those who are in my Discord, I told you guys this is a daily FVG. The plan was that this is the higher low, and we form another higher low right here and another higher high right here. But what happened that we broke through this daily FVG, so there was no such demand, and then I told you guys that maybe must be a retest back to this daily FVG and then continuation to the downside, and this is what is actually happening, and it's in front of you guys. So what's next basically on the lower time frames and on the higher time frames? So I gave you guys what can happen next and what is basically going to happen next. This is what is being looking like. Maybe there is something like after this break of structure on a very good like what you say, on a very good reaction, I will look for a short in this area. Maybe there is 100% chance that we continue to go to the upside after breaking the structure right here. Anything is possible in this crypto space, depending on the volume specifically. Volume is a very important indicator, right? So to get some sort of an understanding that what's basically happening on the lower time frames, I will tell you guys. So guys, specifically on the lower time frames, I told you guys there is a breakout structure right here, and right now you guys can exactly see this was the previous low, and this previous low was broken down, and this is some sort of a failed bearish retest. There is maybe a continuation to the downside, but what is exactly happening right now, that the price is trying to recover, and the price is trying to recover. I will still wait. I will not go for another long position. This is an SFP on 1 hour time frame. I will wait for this breakout and then this retest, and maybe then some sort of a personal thing, because this is a breakout structure. If this is a lower low, this would be a higher low, and on the lower time frames I'm saying another breakout structure, and on this retest I will get in. This is something that I can look for on the lower time frames, right? This is what I can go for, the lower time frames, and this is some sort of SFP bullish retest hold, then this would be a good back retest, and then this would be a good continuation for us to get into some sort of a trade right here within this area, right? So that's because for now this is some sort of a bearish retest, and this is already get us some sort of a rejection, but the price is trying to recover. So for now I don't have any long right now on BTC, but I will wait for this flip back up, then bullish retest, and on this retest I will look for some sort of a long position, maybe look for some TPs into this area, but for that I need some sort of confirmations. And right now the price is somehow recovering to the upside. If you talk about different altcoins, TI is one of them, and we are taking some bounce out of this $3.13. But guys, before that, I gave my members Ethereum short right here. When nobody was short, I gave my members Ethereum short right here, and our full TP on Ethereum short has been hit. So if you guys want to trade with me, these are subscriptions for my premium Discord. I will share my free trades and premium trades in my premium Discord. These are subscriptions for my premium Discord. wallets are given here. You will send subscription amount to the wallets given right here, and you guys will be added in the premium Discord.